Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, October 29th. This is our last day in Unit 2, and we are finished with Module 6. That means we are completely done with Unit 2. Next week, we will start Unit 3. Let's see what we have for today. First, you'll watch this video. Then you will click Async. You have 4 activities to do for today. The first activity is a cover letter activity. So what you will do, here are the directions. You have 8 verbs, and you are going to put them into present perfect tense. Where it says for or since, you will have to pick one. It is fill in the blank. So you have to make sure you are spelling things correctly. If capitalization is needed, you use capitalization. If it's 2 words, make sure you press space 1 time and not 2 times. Okay? And I'll show you the quiz. So here is the paragraph, right? The cover letter. And the words that are highlighted, you're going to change them to present perfect. You will put the answers here. They go in order. Okay? So work will go with number 1. That's not the answer. And then click submit. And now we're going to go to our second async activity, author's purpose. So we have talked about author's purpose. Remember, author's purpose is PI, persuade, inform, entertain. So you're going to read this and you're going to determine if it's persuade, inform, or entertain. The same thing in number 2, same thing in number 3, number 4, and number 5, and click submit. The next activity is your deliverable. Now, friends, a lot of you have not been completing the deliverable on time or not completing at all. It is very important to do the deliverable. I know not everyone is comfortable with doing this, but you have to do it in order to make your improvements. So the deliverable is a Flipgrid, all right? So you're going to look at page 40 of your book and look at 2C, apply what you know. Okay, you're going to describe what self-confidence means to you and give an example of how you used it. All right, so just click here, sign in with Google, no problem. If you're having issues, go to flipgrid.com, sign in with your CR email, and put this code, and you should be able to get to the Flipgrid. If you're having any issues, please let me know. You also have your last, well, not your last, the last one I'm giving you for this month, but you have 2 more days to make sure you reach your goal of 8 articles. The article is building experience. Okay, that is your article, building experience. And we are focusing on synonyms and antonyms. If you get those types of questions, or it could say same or different, opposite, excuse me, same or opposite. All right, so make sure you do the activity. You know what you need to get, 75%. All right, and let's go to sync. It's Thursday. That means we'll meet in our large class. We will have our big class with all of the other level 6, and then we will break into groups for our Spark. Now, what are we going to do today? We're going to do a review of evidence, do some evidence activities, and then go into our Spark breakout sessions. All right, and that's it. Good luck. Make sure you do your deliverable.